Yay! Patingin yung reaction. Yeah! Pinay Tribe!
Hi guys, pauwi pa lang. After awarding and then Christmas party, we got our award. Asan na ba yung award natin? Asan na ba yung medal natin? Ito yung aming award. MVP. Ito, pinaghirapan talaga itong medal na ito. Thank you, teammates. Thank you, coach. MVP. Ito, galing talaga sa hard work. Training every Sunday. Thank you sa teammates at sa coach. Rugby is my first love.
Yeah!
Okay, so the last award we have MVP of the tournament for their team. Okay, so
Yeah, MVP!
Team White, player who deserves the MVP is
MVP yan.
Ace.
Ace! Shot puno! Shot puno! Shot puno! Shot puno! Bottoms up!
Okay, so the last award was MVP of the tournament for the team, for Team Black. And I think it's pretty unanimous.
Yes,
That is Herman!
Shot puno! Shot puno!
Buti bigay mo sa kanya
You can drink, you can drink. That's well done everybody.
Thank you, coach! Thank you, coach!
Okay, so tonight's going to be your Christmas party, and I think we're going to have some eats and so celebrate well. And what? Yeah. Okay, so celebrate, and we will see you back at training. Yeah, whenever we see you. All right. So have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
One more picture. One more picture.
One more picture. One more picture. Everybody, team supporters and everybody.
Come on, come on, come on, guys.
And
Nalubat.
Lupat!
I got it!
may pag-asa pa yan. May pag-asa pa.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oy, galing. Tingin ka dyan na, Darlene. Tingnan ka, mag-judge ka, ate.
Sisilin! Pati silang dalawa! Dalawa!
Marian, lumalas ka na.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down! Wala pa!
Pero ba?
Di ba? Kaya kayo sila ang mga kamay posisyon.